Hi everyone, my name is Dilip Kumar Munugapati, and this is my coursework one, coursework one of mobile robotics, which is PDE 4430. My student ID is M00908451. Okay, let's get into it. To run the task one, which is teleoperation one, I just need to type the command like cross launch. Coursework one, teleoperate key launch. It launches the total window and you can run it using these commands, which is all I have printed on the terminal. So this is how the up arrow, down arrow keys, side arrow keys are going to work. In addition, I've added an speed control for that. For that, to use that low speed condition, I need to type WAST for that, so that the speed is reduced. So this is my first task. Coming to the second task, let me close this window. So in this task one, I have used different keys for teleoperation. I have used WST for like 0.1 velocity for linear velocity, and arrow keys for like a variable velocity of multiplication of the WSD. Coming to the second task, I need to close this window. Type auto navigation, which is the thing. The second task is mainly based on the auto navigation, which is similar to like we need to enter like XY coordinates in the window, which is I'll just show it in a minute. Yes. So this is how the task 2 is going to looking be like. So here we are going to enter the coordinates, like I will be entering 1,1, and it turns and go to that particular position, which is the destination position, and pops like goal has been reached, and we need to enter the second position, like I'll enter yeah 10,1. It turns and move towards that position. Yes, we can play with this as long as possible. 5.5, something like that. It's making a triangle. Hope so. Well, this is my second task, auto navigation, like entering the XY coordinates and moving into that position. So I have used mainly the ROS launch, which is very useful for me launching the files. Otherwise, it will take a hectic time for launching the like command windows and everything. I just need to close it and just need to run it again. ROS launch. The third task which I am going to use is avoid collision, which is mainly based on something like this. So I have used the task 1 program to like move the turtle. So this is the main task, which is overwriting this the turtle window, which is like I'll just show you in a minute. If it goes something like this, it overrides the turtle and it pushes away from the window, something like this. So I'm not sure why it is glitched on the initial stage. So in addition that, if I go to the left wall, it if I touch on the left wall, it's gonna pop up like I hit the left wall. So it's gonna be being that. If I hit the bottom wall, the message will be like I hit the bottom wall. Similar to the top, and I hit the top wall, I hit the right wall. So this is how the avoid collision going to work. And so mainly I have used if condition. If something I have added the borders for that, I can show you the borders. Well, these are the borders which have added. So x 0.75, which is the bottom part, sorry, yeah, the left wall of the window, x 0.75, and the right wall, which is 10.5, and the top wall is also y equals to 10.5, and the bottom wall, which is y equals to 7.5. So this is how I have configured the turtle window to overwrite it. It does not touch the wall. And this is how the third task is going to be complete. This thing, yes. Now I'm going to run the vacuum. So I'm using I just need to enter the the starting letter of the file, so that I don't miss any keywords in that. So I'll just need to enter V and tab, and here it goes, launches the file. So this is how it's going to be covering the entire window automatically by predefined values. It's literally going to take a lot of time. I'm not sure, it takes less than 4 minutes, I guess. So here it decelerating its velocity until it becomes 0, and makes a turn towards the position, and accelerates, and deceleration of the turtle is going to work here. It is mainly on the grid pattern. Okay, I'll just forward it to the end of the task. So it is covering like a C flip version of the C, covering a little bit entire window of the turtle. Sorry for the disturbance, background noise. So for the task 5, I'm not able to complete the task 5 because I don't have the time to complete that. It is similar to this, but instead of using single turtle, we have to use the multiple turtles to complete the vacuum cleaning behavior of this window. Initially, this is the fourth task. Using single turtle, I need to cover the entire window. Coming to the task 5, we need to use multiple turtles to cover the entire window in a efficient manner. but I'm not sure I'm gonna complete that. Mm, yes. It's almost completed. I hope it covered the entire window. So I have predefined the values in the program, and after reaching its final target, it's gonna pop up like the grid is completed. So this is how my task 4 is completed successfully. So all task 1, 2, 3, 4 has been completed. So I have uploaded the github link, github repository link. You can please go to that link and check the files and what are the commands and have used, and have given like in detail steps to run these 4 tasks in your system. And yes, that's all for my side. Thank you. Thanks everyone.